这是在 Bogs 上，他们先捞一些东西出来，晒干就可以拿来烧，好像有点难捞。这是刚刚捞出来的。然后晒干的在那边。这都是晒干的，他们可以拿来烧。这就是 Bog 的地形 ，Bog 很湿，地板很软。然后就是它土里面很密闭。
I want last one to try that. Who's next?
Oh, 谢谢。
What's the biggest crowd you've had, Tom, so far?
Sweden Ireland tour, we've 40 Italian children.
Yeah.
So the big bus came. And luckily enough, Colin was on the road as well because we can't get down to 50 seater.
Yeah.
But it was a metre shorter than a 50 seater. So he went to Killary with his group, dropped them off, and came back and started shuttling in the other.
Did he?
So I didn't say the extreme Ireland that I can't see. Too far away. Big bus. 35 seater is the biggest.
Yeah.
But he just pulled up and Colin was shuttled.
Yeah, yeah.
Them in, yeah.
That's good. It's rarely we have
加油！
coach like you know. Alright, they don't make that in Taiwan. Growing up, all we had was made in Taiwan.
So what's in here? It's just grass.
It's the moss he showed you over thousands of years. It just builds up, and that's what's left.
So this is like dead moss, sort
Yep,
of.
dead moss.
I see. So it's sort of like coal, but it's moss
Yeah,
instead
exactly,
of
yeah.
dinosaurs.
Yeah.
It's
It's fossil.
coal, yeah.
Yep. So that's.
我也忘记了，都好吧。
要。
I don't know.
哦，
我也要玩。
好，但是我手下。
那你手哭哭了吗？
哭哭了，哭了。
Well, go, okay.
哇，我面积在。
Pay big money for it.
You do actually, yeah.
You do.
Yeah.
Big art. You see.
现在是有中央路吗？
And someone will carve something out of it, you know, swan. It's fantastic. You can see there the way when the turf sort of dried a bit, how it goes black and more.
哎，你很
solid
擅
and
长
solid.
哎。
You can carry it down to the house. Go on, you Hershey, get into it. There's only a little bit for your foot, is there on it, or would you?
Oh yeah, lift up again, yeah. Bring the edge, see the edge? Yeah, you're cutting it. Go on. Excellent.
Oh, and the name for this tool is?
It's a sling.
A sling.
It hasn't changed since Irishman started cutting turf. This is the same tool.
Oh, okay.
It's never changed.